Now this car has some extremely stubborn tree sap. I've tried tire remover, I've tried a citrus-based degreaser, and I've obviously tried the clay bar, the pressure washing, and the snow foam. Nothing has gotten this stuff off. So I'm breaking out an eraser block. This is something I don't really like using on paint, but because this is about to get paint correction, it doesn't really matter. It's a white car, this is still fairly mild. Would I do it on a black Ferrari? Probably not, but at the same time, a black Ferrari probably wouldn't have this on it because it would be in a garage. A little bit of light all-purpose cleaner, a little bit on the block. We're just going to lightly skim over like that, kind of the same motion as a clay bar, but because it's a little more abrasive, it will mostly get that off. So in case you've just joined us, I am wearing a Bunnings hat made of straw. It is 30 degrees and I am detailing a Commodore in direct sunlight. Is it obvious this channel is Australian yet? I can't tell. Did you know that I'm in Australia? One thing I find really funny detailing on days like today with this kind of weather, maybe a customer couldn't reschedule or, it just is what it is, but people might walk past their neighbors or whatever and they'll go, oh, it's a nice day for car washing, isn't it? And you have to just go, yeah, it's great, good weather, Inside you're like,
well, actually, the high level of UV and atmospheric temperature causes the products to dry on the car.
I'm basically skipping over the machine polishing part of this detail. On white paint in this outdoor lighting, there's not a lot to see, but here is a nice reflection shot. And a little before and after. Just a single stage polish, but decent result.